In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to sell items or free up inventory in TBH Taskbar Hero. Let's get started. As you continue playing the game, your inventory and stashes will fill up very quickly with loot from defeated enemies. Instead of letting those items sit there, you can convert them into a large amount of gold. First, open up a cube. This is where you will be able to access the item conversion feature. Now go ahead and click on the drop down and set it to alchemy. Next, select the items you want to remove and click on the button beside the autofill button to sell the items. Click on confirm. You can also click on autofill to let the game itself choose the unwanted items. Tap on confirm. Selling unwanted gear not only frees up inventory space but also gives you extra currency that can be used for upgrades and progression. Take a moment to check which items you no longer need. Lower rarity equipment, outdated gear, and duplicate items are usually safe to get rid of if they don't benefit your current build. This is how you can sell items and free up inventory space in Taskbar Hero. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.